Is it time to buy or sell Invesco Nasdaq 100 ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into Invesco Nasdaq 100 ETF. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025. And now, we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since the 24th of April 2025, our system has ranked the Invesco Nasdaq 100 ETF as a buy candidate, assigning it a score of 3.33. Now, let's examine the ETF's performance during this time frame. We will continue to monitor this assessment to observe how it develops in the days ahead. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential negative change of approximately 17.67% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from negative 29.83% to negative 17.67%. Looking at the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of 8.97%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could fluctuate between negative 2.45% and 27.70% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price somewhere between 187.66 cents and 245.67 cents. Our latest daily update for Invesco Nasdaq 100 Exchange Traded Fund highlights the headline, Invesco Nasdaq 100 Exchange Traded Fund upgraded to buy candidate. The Invesco Nasdaq 100 Exchange Traded Fund price increased by 2.84% on the last trading day, which was Thursday, the 24th of April, 2025. The price rose from $187.07 to $192.38. This marks 3 consecutive days of gains. It will be interesting to see if this upward trend continues or if there will be a brief pause in the coming days. During the last trading session, the ETF fluctuated by 2.58%. With a low of $187.70 and a high of $192.55. The price has increased in 6 out of the last 10 days and is up by 0.45% over the past 2 weeks. Volume decreased on the last day by 1 million shares, with a total of 3 million shares traded, amounting to approximately $485.55 million. It's important to note that a decrease in volume alongside rising prices can indicate divergence and might serve as an early warning of potential changes in the next few days. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $222.64, while the lowest was $165.72. Currently, the price is 13.59% or $30.26, below the 52-week high of $222.64, which also represents the all-time high for the ETF. Recent analysis indicates that the Invesco Nasdaq 100 ETF QQQM is currently navigating a volatile market landscape characterized by tariff-related concerns and investor uncertainty. Despite facing headwinds in 2025, particularly for tech giants within the Magnificent Seven, some experts suggest that adjustments in risk perceptions could present lucrative opportunities for QQQM investors in the near term. A recent upgrade to a buy rating highlights QQQM's compelling valuation, particularly after its price-to-earnings ratio has notably declined to 27. Analysts foresee potential earnings growth of around 20%, contingent on stable macroeconomic conditions, which could significantly bolster its price in the long run. Additionally, while the tech sector remains under pressure, there's optimism surrounding advancements in artificial intelligence and related technologies. These sectors have shown resilience despite global trade issues, indicating that long-term prospects for QQQM may continue to improve. However, competition with more focused ETFs, such as SMH, suggests that investors may want to weigh their options carefully. Overall, QQQM appears to be poised for a potential rebound as it adapts to the current market environment, making it a notable consideration for both short-term trades and long-term investment strategies. The following signals have been identified for Invesco Nasdaq 100 Exchange-Traded Fund. The chart displays mostly positive signals today. The Invesco Nasdaq 100 Exchange-Traded Fund holds buy signals from both short and long-term moving averages, which suggests a positive forecast for the fund. However, there is a general sell signal due to the relationship between these two indicators, where the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of downward corrections, support is expected at the levels of $185.03 and $191.37. A decline below either of these levels will trigger sell signals. A buy signal was issued from a pivot bottom point on Tuesday, April 8, 2025, and to date, it has increased by 12.24%. Further growth is anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, there's a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. Despite the rise in prices, trading volume decreased during the last trading day. This creates a divergence between volume and price, which may act as an early warning. It is advisable to monitor the exchange-traded fund closely. Here are some additional signals you might find intriguing. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots generated a buy signal 12 days ago. Bollinger also provided a buy signal 12 days ago. The short-term moving average showed a buy signal 3 days ago. The long-term moving average indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 41 days ago. If we examine the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicated a buy signal 2 days ago. The long-term moving average generated a sell signal 41 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 32 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Invesco Nasdaq 100 Exchange-Traded Fund. Invesco Nasdaq 100 finds support from accumulated volume at $191.52. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction can be anticipated when the support is being tested. This exchange-traded fund experiences average daily movements, and with good trading volume, the risk is regarded as medium. Over the last day, the fund fluctuated $4.85 between its high and low, which is a change of 2.58%. Throughout the past week, the fund has demonstrated an average daily volatility of 2.25%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Invesco Nasdaq 100 ETF. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Invesco Nasdaq 100 ETF is at $194.13. If you do not own any shares, consider waiting for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the ETF, this could serve as a point to contemplate swing trading. On the downside, Invesco Nasdaq 100 ETF meets its first support level at $191.52. If this support level holds, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. Our recommended stop loss is set at $185.84, which reflects a decrease of 3.4%. This exchange-traded fund experiences medium daily fluctuations, indicating a medium level of risk. Additionally, a buy signal has emerged from a pivot bottom identified 11 days ago. Is Invesco Nasdaq 100 ETF a good buy? Several short-term signals are positive. Despite the ETF being in a downward trend, we conclude that the current level may present a buying opportunity, as there is a fair chance for the ETF to perform well in the short term. We have upgraded our analysis from a hold or accumulate recommendation to a buy candidate since the last evaluation. After analyzing the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Friday, April 25th, we expect Invesco Nasdaq 100 ETF to open lower by $1.50, starting at $190.88. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money, and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. You should not base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us, By using this information, you agree to take responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? We invite you to comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.